Hi, Group 4. Here are your spelling test words for the week. Your first word is stranger. The book kept getting stranger and stranger. Stranger. Your next word is cleaner. My brother's room is cleaner than mine. Cleaner. The next word is trickiest. That math problem was the trickiest problem I had ever solved. Trickiest. The next word is kindest. My best friend is the kindest student in the class. Kindest. The next word is shinier. My hair looked shinier yesterday. Shinier. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word for this week is smartest. My brother thinks he is the smartest kid in his class. Smartest.